Dig a hole, plant a seed, water it, that's what it needs. Sunshine helps it grow so tall, leaves and flowers big and small. Watch me grow, little by little, nice and slow. Roots go down, stems go high, reaching up into the sky. Raindrops fall, drip, drop, drip, giving plants a little sip. Soil is rich, dark and deep, helping plants grow while they sleep. Watch me grow, little by little, nice and slow. Roots go down, stems go high, reaching up into the sky. Leaves so green make food to eat, sun and air a special treat. Flowers bloom in colors bright, a garden full of pure delight. Tall trees, tiny sprouts, nature's magic all about. Fruits and veggies, vines that climb, growing strong with love and time. Bugs and bees help plants thrive, spreading pollen, keeping them alive. Wind blows seeds, off they go, planting more so they can grow. Watch me grow, little by little, nice and slow.